First up, chain link fence and poles. Cool. Small water heater and some aluminum boat railings. Fans? Oh yeah. Brand new fans in a box. What's up with this? I'll take the fans in the box. Hey, one chair. Cool. I'll load it up. Lady took down my phone number. She said she'd call me back in 2 days for a stove. Sweet. It's like a magnet. Yep. Here's your garden, Brenda. Some goodies. I see some better goodies over there. Hey, puppy. Look whose chair it is. Not the same one. There you go. What do we got? What do we got? Beam cleaner gizmo. Cool. Still got more room. Let's find it. Ooh, nasty. Oh. I had to put all the nasties in there. Yuck. Come on, people. Trash man don't want that. I don't want it. Piece of lead. Another piece of lead. And another piece of lead. Sweet. Heck yeah. Get her loaded. Sharkmobile action. Good morning, everybody. Nice brisk day back here in Florida. That's okay. It's gonna be warming up by noon. Let's go to the scrapyard and get rid of some of this stuff. Ceiling fan will hang on to. Water cooler, CRTVs for Greg, and thought about keeping that old Briggs, but I got enough keeping stuff. Doesn't really turn over that well anyways. Alright. Good chilly morning. I'm back. She called me last night. Oof, some dirtiness. Steel rotor, cool. Alright, let's hurry up and get it loaded. It's chilly. There's the sun. And the truck's loaded. Alright, let's go get some coffee. My hands are cold. Morning's getting better now. I got some hot coffee. I have 2 more pickups and then I gotta get back to the house. I got a special YouTube guest gonna stop by. Imagine that. A meet and greet up at Gulf Coast. Sweet. It's gonna be a soupy mess. Not that many people here. That's nice. Now we got a traffic log jam. Sit and wait. Boy, that sun feels good. 2 hours later. See how good this guy can back up. Some of them semi-drivers, they don't know the difference between left and right. I've seen quite a few of them miss the ramp about 3 feet off the ground and crazy. Okay, what it weigh, what it pay? Light iron, 300 pounds, 8.5 cents for $25.50. It's a light day. It's okay. And then the next day, oh geez, 400 pounds, 8.5 cents for $34. And I still have some stuff at the house to break down and process off of this load. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, share me out, and subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell and you'll get notified every time I upload. And have a good day. God bless.